got 2 trains. What do you say about the records? And we say, go trains and boo cars. Good job, trains. Thank you, trains, for coming. I'll let you know soon, because I'm not going to be here on Tuesday because my grandpa has a meeting I have to go to. So, just want to let you know that I won't be here for one day next week. Is it true, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Because you have a meeting. We'll see about, I think we have Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, yeah, 2 trains. Right, Grandpa?
Yep.
That one surprised me because the tracks were starting to go down. Did I scare you a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. We're from Texas. This video, I kind of wanted to talk to you, YouTubers. Sorry for I'm taking this video too long, but I just wanted to talk to you, me and Grandpa. What do you say about the cars and trains? What do you say?
Good trains, boo cars.
Yep. Go trains, boo cars. Okay, and bye. That's all for now. See you on Monday.